At Gallup High School, we offer 3 schools of engineering, health, and media. These pathways provide our students with hands-on experiences in fields they're passionate about, while also strengthening their skills as creative and critical thinkers, responsible individuals, effective collaborators, and lifelong learners. Whether they choose engineering, media, healthcare, or other career fields, we are preparing them for college, career, and civic readiness.
Engineering isn't just about solving problems, it's about thinking creatively and building real solutions. Right now, we're working on building prototypes in CAD and learning how to bring our ideas to life.
Being in the School of Health has helped me understand how science connects to real-world healthcare. We're practicing medical techniques, analyzing case studies, and preparing for internships where we get hands-on experience in the field.
The Pathway of Media helps the students gain effective communication skills, collaboration, practice teamwork, and effective time management skills.
Through the School of Media, I've learned how to tell compelling stories. Right now, my class is working on a film prize project for film prizes here, and we're very excited for the submission.
Trying to fit history into engineering as part of our pathway. For my class, I try to squeeze in whatever engineering was going on in whatever historical topic that we're studying at that time. So, for example, today, the students are trying to figure out a Indiana Jones-inspired mystery escape room related to World War II.
You figured it out, that is the way to do it. But now you'll have to work your way back to get the rest of your team one at a time.
So as they figure out engineering-related puzzles, they wind up with questions and answers related to World War II.
I'm a history teacher, part of the School of Health. I incorporate a lot of health topics into the history lessons that I teach.
The dual credit program has given me a head start on my medical career. Taking college-level courses in high school has helped me feel more prepared and confident about pursuing a career in healthcare.
At Gallup High School, students are not just learning subjects, they're building skills for the future. Our School Loves prepare students to be adaptable, innovative, and career ready. This is what the GMCS Graduate Profile is all about.